We know that complex systems and multiple design iterations can be computationally expensive, and metamodels can address this challenge. In certain use cases, the complex transient behavior of a system is required to be captured to accurately replicate the model. A dynamic metamodel uses a recurrent neural network to capture nonlinear dynamics in a dataset, and it can be created with these 3 steps. Generate the simulation data by varying required model inputs. Import the transient time series dataset to the dynamic mode of the machine learning assistant, and divide the simulation data into training, validation, and test samples. Train the data to a dynamic neural network. The machine learning assistant provides real-time plots to assess how well the metamodel fits the data. After training the dynamic neural network, it can be exported for a variety of fast-running use cases. For information on optimization technology, stay tuned with our next videos.